Vikarabad district 2024 pre-final part B. Vikarabad district 2024 pre-final part B paper. Okay. First one చూడండి. The value of log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 base 10 plus log 5 base 10. It is in the form of log x base a plus log y base a equals to log xy base a. అంటే log 2 5 are 10 base 10 log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 value 1. So option A. Option A. Next. Sorry. Option A correct. Next. Second one. Among the following a set which is not the set builder form of the set. Not a set builder form. Okay. So FINDR finder. What is the set builder form here? Which of the not a set builder form? Okay. See, first one finder roster form is FINDER. So this is a roster form. Okay. What about this one? Here G is there. In this G not there. So which is not a set builder form? Option B. Option B. Next. Next, third one. If P of x equals to x square minus 4x plus 5, then find the value of P of 1. Just in place of x, you substitute 1. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 5. So 1 minus 4 plus 5. Okay. So 1 plus 5, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So option D. Next, fourth one. If 3x plus 2y equals to 6, 9x plus ky equals 7, represent inconsistent. So inconsistent means parallel lines. What is the parallel line condition? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2. A1 means here 3, A2 means 9 equals to B1 means 2, B2 means K. 3 ones are 3 3s are cross multiplication. So K equals to 3 2s are 6. So option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next. Fifth one. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So first, what is A value? 1. B value is 6. C value is 9. Nature of the roots. So find the discriminant. B square minus 4AC. So B square means here 6 square 36 minus 4. A value is 1. B value is 9. So 36 minus 36, that is 0. Delta value 0 means what? Real and equal. Option B. Next, sixth one. The sum of first 10 odd natural numbers. So first n natural numbers n. The sum of first n natural numbers, odd natural numbers formula is what? N square. Here total 10 numbers, 10 odd numbers. So 10 square. So 10 square means 100. So option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next, seventh one. Among the following the geometrical figures which are not always similar. What is the answer? Option B. Rectangles are, so similar means what? All angles are equal, sides are divided in the same ratio. So in the square, take one example. Here 4. Okay, wait. Here 4. Here 8 you take. So in square all sides equal 4, 4, 4. 8, 8, 8. So 4 by 8, 4 by 8, 4 by 8. So your sides are divided in the same ratio. So rectangles you take, rectangles. Length I am assuming to 4, breadth 2. Here length assuming to 8, breadth is 4. Now see, breadth is I am taking here 3. Now see, here 2 by 3, 4 by 8. Both are equal, not equal. So squares always similar, two circles always similar, two equal triangles also similar, but rectangles always not a similar. So option B is the correct answer. Next, 8th one. In the given figure, if the angles between the tangents P and PB is 60 degrees, then the ratio of the length OA, OP and AP. Okay, now see here, this is 3. So this angle is 60 degrees, this one 30, this one also 30 by using sine. So sine 30 opposite by hypotenuse at A 90 degrees. So opposite is what? OA, hypotenuse OP. So 1 by 2 equals to OA is what? 3, OP, cross multiplication OP equals to 6. Next I want AP. So again now I am taking tan 30 equals to opposite OA adjacent AP. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. This is 3 by AP, cross multiplication AP equals to 3 root 3. This is 3 root 3. This one 6. Now I want ratio OA. OA is what? 3 is to OP. OP is 6 is to AP 3 root 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are here remaining root 3. So 1 is to 2 is to root 3. So option D. Option D is the correct answer. Next, a solid ball exactly fitted in a cubical box of edge A, then the volume of the ball. Okay, so here solid ball is there exactly fitted in a cubical box. I'm taking one cube, this one ball. What is the diameter of the ball? Diameter of the ball is side of the cube, that is A. This one A. So what is the radius? Radius equals to A by 2. Now I want volume of the ball. So ball is sphere. What is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi, r means here A by 2 whole cube. So that is 4 by 3 pi A cube by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 1 by 6 pi A cube. 1 by 6 pi A cube. Option A. Option is the correct answer. Next, 10th one. The value of cos 48 sin 42. We have complementary formulas. Cos A equals to sin of 90 minus A. So sin of 90 minus 48. This one don't change. Sin 42. Sin of 90 minus 48 is what? 42 minus sin 42. So plus sin 42 minus sin 42 cancel, that is 0. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Next, 11th one. Among the following, the value which is not possible for the probability. Not possible for the probability. Probability means the values are 0, less than or equals to 1. Include 0, 1 and between also. So 1 by 3 means what? 0.3. So this is include. 0.5 also include. 0 to 1 between number only. So 3 by 4 by 3 means what? Above 1. So 3 ones are 3, remaining 1, 3 threes are. So 1.3. So this is not a possible probability. So option B is the correct answer. Next, the mean of scores. So mean means sum of all observations by number of observations. 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 by total number 7. 7 plus 6 13, 18, 25, 33 and 42 by 7. 7 ones are 7 6. 6 is the answer. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next, if a number is 132 smaller than its square, సో మనం తీసుకునే నెంబర్ అనేది స్క్వేర్ చేసినప్పుడు దానికంటే 132 స్మాల్ ఉండాలి. సో 11 తీసుకో, 11 స్క్వేర్ అనేది 121, కానీ ఇది బిగ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఆప్షన్ ఏ రాంగ్. 8 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 64, దిస్ ఆల్సో స్మాల్. 9 square and 81, this also small. Now see 12 square, 144. So 144, 132. So 132 is the smaller than the 144. So option D is the correct answer. Next, the exponential form of log 81 base 3 equals to 4. Base here 3, base always base. So interchange this both. 3 power 4 equals to 81. So 3 power 4 equals to 81. Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Next, the curved surface area of the right circular cone is pi r l. Here L is what? L means what here? Slant height. Option A. Next. Next, tan theta in terms of cos. So tan means what? Tan formula we know, sin by cos. Okay. Sin means we know identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now I want here sin square equals to 1 minus cos square. Square changes to RHS, that is square root. So sin theta equals to under root 1 minus cos square theta. So sin means what? Under root 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next one here. In an arithmetic progression, A25 means A plus 24, A12 means A plus 11D equals to 52. So A plus 24 minus A 24D minus A minus 11D equals to 52, plus A minus is cancelled. 24 minus 11 is 13. 13 on the 13 fours. So option D. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, next. One root of the quadratic equation is 4. Root means that value satisfy the given equation. So in place of x you substitute 4 square minus k into 4 plus 36 equals to 0. 16 minus 4k plus 36 equals to 0. 36 plus 16, 52 equals to 4k. 4 ones are 4 13s are. So k value is 13. Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Next, the distance between of the point 3 comma minus 4 from the origin. From the origin means under root x square plus y square. So 3 square plus of minus 4 whole square. 3 square means what here? 9, 16. 9 plus 16 is what? 25. Square root 25 means 5. Option C. Next, if each edge of a cube is doubled, then the ratio of the volumes of the original cube and the new cube formed is, okay, the edge is double. Before A, now doubled. Okay. Now what is the question? The ratio means here a cube to a whole cube. So a cube is to 8, a cube, ones are cancelled, a cube, so 1 is to 8. Option A. Option is the correct answer. Okay. Bye.